Very excited to be here. And over to you, Max. First up on the block, you have some great technology, I think very relevant to the last panel. Matt was talking about using it to sift through due diligence. You've got something that works through a similar kind of use case, but please give us a lowdown in terms of how it works.
So Brightwave is essentially enabling investors to go from what I say, 0 to 1 orders of magnitude faster with sentence level attribution. So what that means tangibly is a number of workflows across everything from sourcing to diligence to portfolio management. You have a set of workflows where you need to get across a large collection of documents to derive very specific insights and create decision documents. That could be memos, it could be presentations, et cetera. And this is a perfect sweet spot today for LLMs. And so we built a system to do that that's enabling things like, for example, someone who would typically take, let's say, hours or days to produce the first cut of investment committee memo, doing that in minutes, and then flipping the time where they're spending 80% of time of data collation and 20% of time of analysis, flipping that ratio. So very exciting times, and working with investors of all stripes, from the kind of boutique four-man shop up to the mega caps.
Awesome, Max. And just to build on that, right? So huge reduction in time. What about the quality of work? How does that compare to the traditional approach where you're just throwing hours at it? Tell us a little bit, and how do you go about assessing that?
I think one of the important ways that we always have to frame large language models specifically is, they work probabilistically, not deterministically, which, by the way, human beings are the same way. And so I think the frame is, okay, this is like a first-year MBA associate who I can give massive context to go execute a set of actions and then come back to me once they're finished. And so again, whether that's a table, whether that's a PowerPoint presentation, a memo, the expectation is not, okay, this is the easy button and it's going to be absolutely perfect. Human beings make mistakes. LLMs make mistakes. The opportunity is cutting the time from 0 to 80%.